Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Calendly subscription. All right, first up, go ahead and go to your Calendly account. In here, it could be on your phone. Okay, now once you're in here, just go to the admin center. You'll be able to find the admin center as well on your phone. Just click or tap on it. Okay, now once you're in here, just go ahead over to the billing section, click on it, and once done, you'll be able to see your current plan. Okay, now instead of seeing select right here, for example, you have a standard plan. Instead of seeing select, you can go ahead and click on it. All right, there will be a drop down just like this. Now, once you click on the drop down, you should go ahead and click on downgrade. Now, when you click on downgrade, go ahead and select the free plan. And that's how easy it is to cancel the plan or your subscription for your Calendly account. And it says here, you'll keep your paid features until the end of the billing cycle. Once the billing period ends, you'll be switched to the free plan automatically. And that's basically it. And if you want to discuss payments on your account, you can reach out to the billing team at billing@calendly.com. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.